Welcome to Slide Bazaar's PowerPoint for Pros, a series focused on helping you become better at PowerPoint. In this video, we'll take a look at Slide Master in PowerPoint and its features. Before we start, I highly recommend you check out Slide Bazaar's free PowerPoint add-in for PowerPoint templates, themes, charts, icons, and more, all within PowerPoint itself. Check out the links in the description to learn more about the add-in. Let's get started. The Slide Master is a design template that controls the appearance of all the slides in your presentation. It contains all the design elements for slides such as background, font styles, color scheme, placeholders, and more. Any changes made to the Slide Master are applied to all the slides based on that master. To access the Slide Master, first go to the View tab and click on Slide Master. Now to make changes that apply to all slides, select the topmost slide in the Slide Master view. This is the master slide, and any changes made here will be reflected across all the slides on your presentation. For example, if you want to set a background for all your slides, simply change the background of your master slide. Or if you want to add a logo, simply add a logo to the master slide. You can see that the change is reflected across all slides. This is a great way to add a watermark to your slides as well. Below the master slide, you'll see various slide layouts. These can be individually customized to suit your needs. Click on any of these layouts to make changes that will only apply to slides using that specific layout. While working on your presentation, go to Home and select Layout to insert one of those layouts, which you can use to build your slides quickly. You can also create custom layouts which you can use in your slides. Check out our video on this topic, linked in the description. In the Slide Master view, you can also see placeholders for text, images, and more. These placeholders can be resized, moved, and customized to fit your content. Click on a placeholder to select it and drag the sizing handles to resize it or move it to a different location on the slide. These layouts will appear exactly the way you set them up when you apply them to your slide. Now, to change the fonts and colors used throughout your presentation, go to the master slide and use the font and color options. This allows you to maintain a consistent look and feel across your slides. To sum up, the Slide Master is an excellent tool that you can use to customize your slides easily and create new templates that you can use to build slides faster. I hope this quick guide on using Slide Master has been helpful. Do not forget to check out Slide Bazaar's free PowerPoint add-in to improve your presentation creation process. The links are in the description. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.